Hello and welcome to my channel Excelzilla. In this video we are going to learn how to use the function of if formula and how it can be useful in your day-to-day life. So I have here some items listed over here with the names, with their houses and the score, and with using if formula we are going to understand whether they have failed or whether they have passed. So we are going to give a criteria, we are going to give a logical test, an argument, wherein if the value is less than 2, it should mark as fail, and if the value is more than 2, it should mark as pass. So it's a very simple and a basic if function. The if function can be highly classified as a very broad function. We can see that on our future videos, but as of now we are going to learn a very basic function of if by writing either pass or fail. So let's start with this formula. To start up with the formula, you need to always start with an equal to sign like this, and write if. You can open the bracket or just enter tab from your keyboard. You don't need to remember all the formulas because Excel reminds you how to start your formula over here. As you can see from this working, it tells you what to select first. So all you need to do is understand the formula from the basics so that you don't need to memorize each and everything. So I have opened the bracket and it says give a logical test. So logical test is over here. So we are going to select this cell. So the cell is G4. So G4 is this and this G row and G column and fourth row. So we are going to say if this value is less than 2, then it should fail, or else it should pass. So we'll give a less than sign like this, and we'll add 2, comma. So we have given a logical test as G4, which is if the score is less than 2. What if it meets the criteria? So our criteria is fail because our less than value is 2. So let's type it as fail. What if it is 2 or more than 2? If it is 2 or more than 2, then it should give us pass. Close the bracket and enter. So as you can see, it is 2.9 and it is given as a pass. Similarly, you can just click over here and look for the plus sign and double click. It will mark, it will copy, the Excel will understand to copy and paste for the rest of your column. See, wherever the value is less than 2, it has marked as fail. So the pass and fail, you can use it as accepted or rejected or anything which is suitable for as per your requirement. So it is up to you. It's a free flow text. Remember, all the free flow text should be in double quotes, and this is how you are going to use this formula. If you have any doubts and questions regarding this formula, please feel to post under the comment box. Thank you. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new video updates. Thank you.